everybody, welcome to the show. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, just a little heads up on the video coming up. One thing I would do different is these chicken breasts, after they're butterflied, you flip them open, you need to take some parchment paper or something, cover them up and pound them down with a mallet, thin them out, make them spread out a little bit. That way you can close them properly and then use the toothpicks to seal them up, and they're gonna look so much better. On the visual scale, my chicken at the end of this video is like maybe a 5, maybe a 6 out of 10. On the taste factor, it was like a 9 out of 10. There wasn't anything left on the plates after dinner. They were delicious. So give it a try. But you have to pound out and flatten the chicken breast. And on another note, one of my best friends, she's been battling cancer for a few years. And she had called me up and says, hey, I got the girls coming over for trivia night tonight, and I just don't have the energy and the strength to make this dinner. Can you come over and help me? So I did. It was last minute. I raced over with a couple tripods and my cameras just to see if I could make a decent video out of it. So I recorded this over a year ago, and I never published it because it's not my best work. So please forgive me for that. And the only reason I'm doing it now, well, it tastes great. That's one reason, but I lost my friend a couple weeks ago. And she is in the video. She's talking in the background a little bit. I hope that's not annoying to you, but in any case, enjoy the video, enjoy the food, give it a try. This tastes great. You're gonna love it. Just flatten out the chicken and it'll look way better. Thanks for watching. All right, folks, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and make the stuffing for the chicken. All right, first thing, we're just gonna do some onion, chop it up. Why are you laughing at me?
Because my knives aren't sharp.
All right, so just chop up a little bit of onion. All right, one more little pepper. I need a little more red. What do you think?
Yes.
More red? More red. All right.
Did you touch your eye?
Onion. Oh my God, I'm crying. Oh my, it squirted me right in the eye.
Oh no. What should I get you? What do you get for...
I'm good. It just gotta go away. Oh. Yeah, I'm crying. Okay.
Oh, it's very emotional.
It's an emotional meal. Oh, you know, pepper spray is pretty powerful. Well, they should come out with onion spray. Oh my God. Everybody be crying.
You should patent that.
All right, folks. So this is what we're going to do. In the pan. Here it goes. Over here I have a pan on medium high. All right, we're going to give that a few. All right, folks. Now, in the meantime, we're going to be adding the spinach here. I'm going to take the stems off. There must be an easier way.
I lined them all up. I lined them all up.
Yeah, well, I'm just doing it on the fly. Rather than touching twice, just get them done as I pick them up. Alright, so there we go. Get rid of these stems. Chop the rest up. I'm also going to use these sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to put that in there. Chop them up. But no big deal.
Yep.
Even with the bowl there?
Yes. Falls out of sight.
I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. We just want to soften these up a little bit. Take my garlic. All right, we're going to get this sauteing now. In the pan, garlic. A little bit of salt. Get some black pepper in there. And a little secret ingredient. Bam! All right, that's going in there. Not a lot, just a little bit, give it some flavor. Now this is all going to go into our stuffing. And a little bit of flavor. That's right. Little flavor. All right, another minute or so. In fact, I'm going to cool her down a little bit, pull her off the heat. And I'll let this chill a minute. You see what I did? I just pulled it off the heat there. I'm going to let that chill because now we're going to start making, oh, you know what I did forget? I forgot these folks. All right.
The rest of them in there.
We got to soften up the mushrooms a little bit. So we'll give those a few minutes here on the heat while the rest of it's off cooling down in the corner here. Just want to get some of the water out of here, let them soften up, break down a little bit. I'm going to take this cream cheese. We let it warm up pretty much to room temperature, as close to it as we could. I don't know, I pulled it out of the fridge, what, hour and a half ago? Something like that. We're going to go ahead and get this all mixed up. At least start breaking it down. We're going to add these vegetables that are in the pan. We're just about ready over here. I'm going to go ahead and mix these up. Very good. Let's go ahead and pop these in there. It's a little warmer than I'd like it to be. But we're going to add a few more ingredients to cool it down. What I have here, you can use like Parmesan. I'm going to use Asiago. I love Asiago shredded cheese. We're going to dump a bunch of that in here, okay? Oh my God, this smells amazing. Now that warmth hit the cold cheese, melted it a little bit. Everything's stirring so much easier now. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, cool. This is awesome. I'm going to add a little more Asiago. Because why? Why not? We're going to set this aside. All right, so here we have our chicken, all right? Now we bought this chicken and it's already been butterflied. They've literally taken the chicken breasts and have cut them. All right, so they're already pretty thin. Now, some people will go ahead and smash them smooth. I'm not going to do that today. We're just going to set these out here. We've got 5. And we're going to season. Oh, wow, this one's a huge one. Okay. So here we go. Okay, the skin side out. All right, can you tell? You can see that? So we're going to do the skin side out. And that's how I've got all these, all right? Okay, folks, so pretty simple. All we're going to do, a little salt. Okay, black pepper, let's get it on there. But now we're going with the theme today. Herb and garlic, that's the theme. All right, so we're going to hit the inside of these with a little bit of herb and garlic. And this one's, we're going to go ahead and, let's go ahead and season the other side. Here we go. Looks great, fantastic. It is time to stuff the birds. So we're going to take, oh, about that much, plop it down. Now, you don't want to get crazy. I probably have, this one probably here is probably the best one. I've got a little too much in most of them. Okay? You're just going to do the best you can. Now, what you can also do is pound these down a little bit. You know, you can put them in parchment and stuff and pound them down. I'm going to just try to get it done like this. Just make a taco. See? Chicken taco. Something like that. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to take these messy birds and just try to close them up here with toothpicks. Hold them together a little bit. Get a little oil in there. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take these Look at that. We got these two here. See that? We're going to give this a few minutes each side. Not a lot, just a few.
What's Dad making now? You need to one of his videos so he makes stuffed chicken.
Ooh.
All right, folks, in the oven, 400 degrees, about 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, where's the time she wants?
I couldn't believe how
She
much
said
they
he'll
cost.
have an adjustment.
I was even willing to call physical therapy and say, hey, can I get it today for the round? I thought, no, I'll wait till tomorrow. I'll just try and soak it. I mean,